This is a shopping center. A shopping center is made of many stores close together. All around the stores is a big parking lot. Some of the stores are large and some are small. In these stores, people can buy most of the things they need. During the day, many families come here to do their shopping. But early in the morning, before the stores are open, the shopping center looks empty. Yet some people are at work. One of the shopping center guards checks the doors to make certain they are locked. A sweeper cleans the parking lots and sidewalks each morning. Another worker washes windows, so the stores will be clean and attractive. Trucks arrive early, too. They bring many different things to be sold in the stores. All the different things the trucks bring are called merchandise. Because the shopping center has many kinds of stores, the trucks bring many kinds of merchandise. When the merchandise is delivered to the stores, it is usually kept in a storeroom until it is needed. Then a clerk puts price tags on the merchandise and it is placed on shelves in the store. In the florist shop, the florist trims the flowers. Then he places them in water and puts them in a special cooler in the store where they will stay cool and fresh all day. In the shopping center's supermarket, workers are also getting ready for the day's business. A worker stamps the price on each can before placing it on the shelf. In other parts of the store, workers are busy putting out fresh vegetables and fresh meats for the customers. In a small room at the rear of the supermarket, Another worker trims and cleans fruits and vegetables. After the stores are open, many people come to shop. The Collins family comes to this shopping center because it is near their home. They like to shop here because there is plenty of free parking space near the stores. And because here they can buy most of the things they need. While Johnny and Mrs. Collins are shopping, Mr. Collins is going to buy medicine in the shopping center's drugstore. The medicine will be prepared by this man. He is a pharmacist. This note is written by a doctor. It tells the pharmacist what kind of medicine Mr. Collins needs. The pharmacist prepares the medicine very carefully. People depend on the pharmacist to give them the medicine their doctor wants them to have. Meanwhile, Johnny and Mrs. Collins are going to shop in the big department store. Many kinds of merchandise are sold in the department store. This is the children's clothing department. Mrs. Collins will buy Johnny a sweater here. Many people work in the department store. A sales lady helps Mrs. Collins pick out the sweater. Next, Johnny and Mrs. Collins visit the toy department. Each department in the department store is like a separate store. Now, Mr. Collins is going to buy some flowers in the florist shop. The florist shop, like most of the other small stores in the shopping center, sells only one kind of merchandise. Often these small stores have only one or two people working in them. While Mr. Collins buys flowers, Johnny and Mrs. Collins are going to buy food in the supermarket. In this store, customers wait on themselves. They pick out the things they need. Then they go to the check stand. The checker looks at the price of each item. The cash register shows the price of these items. Then it adds them all up to show Mrs. Collins how much to pay. The checker's helper puts the groceries in bags. The Collins family shops in the shopping center because it is near their home. They like to shop here because there is plenty of room for parking near the stores. And because here, in one place, they can buy almost everything they need. Shopping centers and the people who work in them are an important part of many communities.